Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and get the talking out of the way for this video. So this video is in partnership with JIAJIA Hair Corporation. As you see, they send it with a comb and an instant lock tool with all of their packages. They sent me 3 bundles. And this is the hair. Now with any hair extensions that I get, I always soak them in shampoo and vinegar. Because of irritation from hair extensions, to help limit that. Now throughout this video, I did notice that the hair does not detach seamlessly. Some of them, when I detached the hair, I had to create the sections myself, which was not an issue for me, but this is just for me to let you all know. I soaked this hair for 4 hours and then I let it sit overnight before I install it into my hair, just to make sure that it dries. Now in this video, you will see that I did start off with a different style. I was going to just completely use this hair. However, when I started, the lock was short, so I added a bit more to extend the length of the lock. But my hair is a lot thicker than what it looks most of the time, and I usually use 4 packs of hair, so I knew if I continued to do the style that I attempted to, that it was not going to end well for me. So I ended up switching my style, as you will see, into a crochet style with some old hair that I had that I already washed and did the vinegar rinse on it. But I will not show the installation of that, as that is not the focal point of this video. So again, thank you JIAJIA Hair Corporation for this partnership. I hope you all enjoy this video. At the end of the video, I do show different ways that I style the hair. So I would like for you to leave a comment below and let me know which style you like the best when it came to this hair. Overall, this hair is easy to use, it's easy to install, and it's very versatile. I did also do 2-strand twists with it just to see how it would hold, and it did really good. So you can use this hair for multiple reasons, but for the sake of this video, I just did a crochet method. So don't forget to like this video, and I'll see y'all later.
Cause I got you like you got me, and I'm with it if you with it. Committed, committed, committed. So please don't be scared. So please don't be scared. Cause I got you like you got me, and I'm with it if you with it. Committed, committed, committed. So please don't be scared. Got the world on your shoulder. True call, but I'm never gon' fold you. True call, but I'm never gon' fold you. Grown now, but I'm still getting older. Still getting closer, still getting closure. Broken hearts, yeah, I think I know ya. Hear your heart, man, I just might show ya. Hear the pain, or I might outgrow ya. Might outgrow ya. We just gotta take our time. Get out your head, cause I've been all in mine. I've been waiting all day to see you. We just gotta take our time. We just gotta take our time. Get out your head, cause I've been all in mine. I've been waiting all day to see you. We just gotta take our time. So please don't be scared. Cause I got you like you got me, and I'm with it if you with it. Committed, committed, committed. So please don't be scared. I can have you, you can have me. We can do the main thing. I can have you, you can have me if you do the same thing. I can have you, you can have me. We can do the main thing. I can have you, you can have me if you do the same thing. So please don't be scared. Cause I got got you like you got me, and I'm with it if you with it. Committed, committed, committed. So please don't be scared. Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10. Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 2 doors in my coupe. I look better under you, girl, I love you, you my truth. The OJ with that juice, got that magic 32. Tell me what you tryna do. Look, I'm hotter than 10. Check out my phone and you callin' again. Pull up outside and you all in the Benz. Keeping it up, I don't need the extends. Running it back and again and again. It is so good, got you telling your friends. You late for work, stuck in traffic again. Do not disturb, now we off of the grid. Who does it better? Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10. Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on. Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10. Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on. Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10. 2 doors in my coupe, I look better under you. Girl, I love you, you my truth. The OJ with that juice, got that magic 32. Tell me what you tryna do. Yeah, better when you mad me. Yeah, you got better when you mad me, admit it. You said you done trusting, but you did it. Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits? I'm obsessed, I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best, I'm obsessed. I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best. Look, how you get so good at being modest, girl, be honest. You said you done trusting these niggas, made yourself a promise. I hate to make you take it back. I've been getting paid for rap, ain't talking about the drums. When I tell you I can make it clap, had to make you wait for that. You intrigued with conversation, you be moving dolo, I'm intrigued and I'm in admiration. I can gas you up, but I don't think you need the validation. Still you looking good, natural, without no operation. F my old bitch Tayin', f your old too. Younger me, he wanted street stripes, but they wasn't blue. Now I'm banking on the sweet life when I'm next to you, giving you the credit you deserve, cause it's overdue. You got better when you mad me, admit it. You said you done trusting, but you did it. Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits? I'm obsessed, I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best, I'm obsessed. I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best. Got me obsessed, got me obsessed, got me obsessed. Got me obsessed, got me obsessed. Yeah. You getting better with the times. Looking on your herbs, tasting like some fine wine. Ex broke your heart, you can hear that through a mind. Nick be calling, but you never mind, cause you all mine. Pull up to my house late night, hit the brake lights and the shade right. I know what's up on your mind. Pour a couple shots, put the Henny in my cup, and a couple moments later we'll be bending up a twine. Something that's divine. Had to give it time, but I'm patient. I just wanna see on your spaceship. Plus you done the earth and you never on some face. Didn't have the bill, I the women didn't pay shit. Basic, we should take a time, we should pace it. And you one to one, God ain't on no copy paste. Felt too many times, this is different, we can make it. Love dripping good off of you, let me taste it. Got me obsessed, got me obsessed, got me obsessed. Got me obsessed, got me obsessed, got me obsessed. Back to the basics, been a lot of things, but I never been basic. Run around bases, came from the basement, never been shameless. So I got stay in the streets, get dangerous, so I might bang it. Don't like hanging unless you family, please don't claim it. Like what you claiming, what you saying, what you bout and what you need. I'm at the house, ain't at the club, I'm really chillin' with my seed. I love my poppy, put me on, I'm really chillin' with OGs. Don't test my gangster, think I'm bitch made, we gon' fuck around. Tryna be here for a while in a good time, but we ain't stressed out, just good wine. When I look in the mirror, yeah, I look fine. Good people, times, and good wine. Good wine, good wine, good wine, good wine. Tryna be here for a while in a good time, but we ain't stressed out, just good wine. When I look in the mirror, yeah, I look fine. Good